Looking to make crispy, golden fries right at home? Then you need the top 5 best air fryer for chips. In this video, we'll explore top-performing models that deliver perfect crunch, healthier results, and effortless cooking every single time. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. COSORI Air Fryer for Chips. The COSORI Air Fryer for Chips stands out as a game-changer for anyone who loves crispy, golden fries without the guilt of deep frying. With its innovative turbo blaze technology, this model pushes the limits of air frying by reaching fan speeds up to 3,600 revolutions per minute and temperatures of 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This means your chips come out evenly cooked, perfectly crispy on the outside, and tender on the inside every single time. The upgraded 5-fan speed system ensures even heat distribution, so every batch of fries or snacks is consistently delicious. One of its best highlights is the ceramic-coated basket and crisper tray, which are non-stick, durable, and resistant to wear, making cleaning effortless. Its 6-quart square basket offers generous space for family meals, allowing you to prepare multiple servings at once. Even with such powerful performance, the COSORI Air Fryer maintains a whisper-quiet operation below 53 dB, making it ideal for peaceful kitchen environments. The best part is that you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with up to 95% less oil, maintaining flavor while significantly cutting calories. From busy weeknight dinners to weekend snack sessions, this air fryer saves both time and effort thanks to its rapid heat-up and efficient airflow. Stylish, compact, and built for convenience, the COSORI Air Fryer combines smart design with top-notch performance. Whether you're preparing fries, chicken wings, or roasted vegetables, it delivers professional quality results right on your countertop, making it a must-have for any modern kitchen. Number 2. Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer for Chips. The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer for Chips takes everyday cooking to the next level by combining an air fryer and multi-cooker in one powerful appliance. It's designed to handle everything from quick snacks to full family meals, making it perfect for busy kitchens. Its dual-speed fan and 360-degree superheated air circulation ensure your chips come out golden, crispy, and evenly cooked every time, while locking in moisture and flavor. The standout feature is its 26-quart capacity, which provides ample space for large meals, whether roasting a full chicken, baking a 12-inch pizza, or frying batches of fries for a family of 6. The built-in toast countdown timer is a clever addition, automatically shutting off the oven when the toast is ready, ensuring perfect results without any burn edges. The elegant stainless steel exterior not only enhances durability, but also adds a sleek, modern touch to your kitchen decor. Plus, the stylish French doors open easily with a single pull, while the interior light lets you monitor cooking progress without losing heat. This combination of beauty, performance, and convenience makes the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer a true kitchen upgrade. It's ideal for those who enjoy cooking but want the flexibility to air fry, bake, roast, or reheat with ease. From crispy fries to family roasts, it delivers professional quality results every time. Number 3. Chefman Air Fryer for Chips. The Chefman Air Fryer for Chips is a sleek and efficient kitchen essential design for modern households seeking convenience and healthier cooking. Despite its compact 4-quart design, it packs impressive power and versatility, making it perfect for couples or small families. The digital touchscreen display allows easy customization of temperature and time, or you can use one of 4 preset functions for quick, hassle-free meals. What makes this air fryer stand out is its 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry technology, which boosts heat during the final 2 minutes to deliver a crispy, restaurant-quality finish on your fries, chicken tenders, or wings. It's a fantastic choice for those who love crunchy textures without excess oil. The non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher-safe, simplifying cleanup, while the matte black finish adds an elegant, timeless appeal to any countertop. The shake notification feature is another thoughtful touch. It alerts you halfway through cooking, reminding you to shake the basket for even crisping. Safety is also prioritized with automatic shutoff technology, ensuring the appliance turns off when the cooking cycle ends or the basket is removed. With its compact size, it fits easily into small spaces without sacrificing capacity, making it great for apartments or dorms. Health-conscious users will appreciate that it uses little to no oil while still delivering full flavor and satisfying texture. Overall, the Chefman air fryer offers a balance of modern features, efficient design, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for preparing crispy fries, snacks, or quick dinners with minimal effort and maximum taste. Number 4. Instant Pot Air Fryer for Chips. The Instant Pot Air Fryer for Chips combines compact size with powerful versatility, giving you a 6-in-1 appliance that air fries, bakes, roasts, broils, dehydrates, and reheats, all in one. Its even crisp technology ensures every chip or snack comes out with that signature deep-fried crunch, but with far less oil. Despite its small footprint, the 4-core capacity is surprisingly efficient, making it ideal for singles, students, or small families who want fresh, crispy meals without taking up too much counter space. One of its best features is the clear cook window paired with a bright internal light, allowing you to monitor food as it cooks without opening the basket or losing heat. This ensures perfect results and consistency every time. It heats up quickly, reducing cooking time significantly, while the dishwasher-safe non-stick basket makes cleanup effortless. The air fryer's 1,500-watt power ensures rapid, even cooking, and its overheat protection and auto shutoff give you peace of mind while operating. With minimal preheating and quick cooking cycles, it's an ideal choice for anyone seeking healthy, time-saving meals. Its compact yet efficient design makes it a must-have for kitchens with limited space, proving that great cooking doesn't require a large appliance. Whether you're making golden fries, crispy vegetables, or reheating leftovers, this Instant Pot model consistently delivers top-quality results. Number 5. Ninja Air Fryer for Chips. The Ninja Air Fryer for Chips is a household favorite known for its exceptional performance, durability, and healthier approach to frying. It allows you to enjoy your favorite crispy foods with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods, making it an excellent choice for health-conscious eaters. With a wide temperature range of 105 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can easily switch between gentle dehydration and high-heat frying, ensuring every batch of chips or snacks turns out perfectly golden and crisp. The 4-quart ceramic-coated non-stick basket offers generous space for family-sized portions, accommodating up to 2 pounds of fries in one go. Built with 4-in-1 versatility, it can air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate, giving you a wide variety of cooking options in a single, compact appliance. The dehydrate function is particularly impressive, allowing you to create chip-like dried snacks using low heat and slow airflow, great for homemade fruit chips or vegetable crisps. Cleanup is simple thanks to the dishwasher-safe basket and crisper plate, while the non-stick ceramic coating prevents residue buildup and extends the product's lifespan. Its sturdy aluminum construction ensures long-lasting durability, while the sleek exterior adds a professional touch to any kitchen setup. The Ninja Air Fryer's convection heat system guarantees evenly cooked results every time, making it a favorite for fries, chicken, and even desserts. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.